I've been looking for a cheap generator that I could use for a backup source of power at the cabin, and I got this today from a guy on Craigslist for 40 bucks. It's an old and possibly up to 30-year-old Coleman generator, and the gas tank itself, it's got this nasty old sponge in it and it looks really corroded in there. It's going to take this whole gas tank off, it's so corroded. And you can see there's just a bunch of rust all over, and this is the kind of stuff that's coming up from the inside. I'm pouring some gravel, actually this is fish tank gravel, into the tank. I'm going to shake it up to try to get some of the rust off the edges. I'm just going to shake this a lot and try to get the rust off. This is gravel that I haven't used yet. Here's the stuff I shook up in there for about 10 minutes. I got a lot of rust out. Still running from the carburetor, but it looks like it's still having a hard time pulling it up out of the tank. I was going to reuse this old carburetor and rebuild it, but the kits were about $9 and I could get a whole new carburetor for 22 bucks. So this came from Amazon. And if this starts and runs, the light should come on. Shoot it over the check. Alright, so the motor runs good, but we are not generating power that I can tell. I think the problem is this little capacitor made in 1996, and I got a replacement, 20 bucks. Hopefully this is going to take care of it. How cool is that? Ironically, we got the little offshore semi-hurricane thing coming through today, which is a tropical storm, supposedly hurricane force winds. And I've got my 25 to 30-year-old Coleman generator running just in time for backup, even though this is for the cabin. But very cool.